I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking car, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. Say I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking car, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. Look, I've been trying.
Part that I did last time by myself. This is the second time we've been here. The first time I rode a four-wheeler by myself. This time I'm with the family and we're all in the side-by-side. So if you haven't seen the first one, go back and take a look at that so that way you can see both perspectives of what you can expect, either riding a four-wheeler or a side-by-side. Both are well worth the money. You can't find anything like this anywhere else. Especially not in the Great Smoky Mountains. Might be able to find somewhere else, but not here. At least not this quality. I forgot what they said on their pamphlet, but they have a crap ton of land just for this. And the cool part about this is that they have select trails. So technically, if you think about it, the rest of it's just going to be a nature preserve per se. Because it's just going to be protecting all of this wonderful nature and landscape out here in the middle of nowhere.
Say I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking car, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. Say I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking car, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest.
Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my God got the key. Spirit trying to talk to me, so you know I won't speak. If for days 1,000 years, I've been hustling for a week. Hey, I got the light up beside me.
Lord have mercy.
Yeah, that's a lot prettier this time with no snow on it, but it looks awesome.
Yeah, it looks blue.
Yeah.
It's weird. This is really cool though. How high is this? I think I said it wrong last year, or I added a couple of zeros when there shouldn't have been a couple of zeros. It's like It's like 2500, so 2,500 feet. I think I said 25,000 feet, which is like Mount Everest. This is not Mount Everest by no means. Certainly it's pretty though. Very pretty. Could you imagine living right there? Oh, you guys can't even see on camera. Right there, that little like brownish speck. Yeah, that's a house. I don't like the wind. I don't like the wind up here.
That would be awesome. Oh, look at the playground. Nobody catches.
No, not at all. There ain't no game warden out here.
Well, if there is, he's got a lot of territory.
No, we wouldn't come out here to hunt. This would be out just for riding.
Hunt trails, maybe.
You know, the only other person that I've seen that has a big enough backyard like this would be Brewer Off-Roads. Side note, we also support him. Go check him out. He makes really good content on his 450s. Man loves them. Really pretty, really pretty. I think linear is probably the closest thing you can get to a what we see.
Roughly 32, 23.
32?
Roughly.
Darn, I keep saying it wrong. At first I said it was 25,000, which is like Mount Everest, and then I said 2,500, but yeah, 32 sounds about right. Lord have mercy. Yeah, linear is about the closest thing you're gonna get to what it looks like.
That tree looks like it's gonna fall. On the lookout.
I love Super View, but if you want a good description of what it looks like, linear is probably your best bet because it looks like, you know, it's right out my face. So let's get a better perspective of what it looks like. Because Super View, it basically stretches out the footage and makes it a lot wider. It's good for trail riding and it's good for Dad's point of view, but if you want to see what it looks like up close and personal, linear is your best bet. You might be able to get away with wide too, but I wouldn't push it. Linear would just go for that one.
God, it's me, what's up? It's a hypocrite. I know you trying to talk, but I ain't listening. And I got way too many things all up on my mind, but I would really appreciate if you could send a sign. Cause man, I really feel like I can make it if I just had the right cosign so I could take it. I just hope that your sign and my cosign are always on the same side. And I'm sorry for that tangent, but I'm trying to be the opposite of Marilyn Manson. I really can't afford to be out here looking rancid. Can never force the faith. I know you wanted to be candid, and forever I am grateful for you setting the standard that like next mic. Your music really speaks to me, but you're like next mic. Believe me, I'm trying to get up on these actions, but Lucy trying to come at me with all of these distractions. But I need you to pray for me. I need you to save me. I need you to pray for me. I need you to save me. I swear I really need you.
Okay, yeah. That'd be fun to have. It'd be fun to see too, as long as we're at the same distance.
Okay, Lucy look a little shook, have a yelling mayday. You can hear my line, let you know the good news. Spirit got me dancing, looking like I'm footloose. Okay, we had to take that. Yeah, God took a look at me and said, yo, I gotta go and say that. Raining down all over me, catch a cold with just a breeze. Raining down all over me, catch a ghost like it's a sneeze.
We can't have anyone freak out there, okay? We've got to keep our composure. We've got too far. There's too much to lose. We've got to keep our composure.
I got that waterfall flow like I'm not tripping, I just know that I got my soul right. They saying I'm dissing, they just know I keep my lock tight. While my hindsight looking brighter than the headlights, scratching on my headlights. In the sea of fishes, I'm a great white boy. All I do is real, you won't see a decoy. I came for the bag like a young bellboy. No Chicago, but we making Illinois. Yeah, we making Illinois. Yeah, we making Illinois. Yeah, we making Illinois. In the dark, I'll leave my mark. Taking shots in the dark. Let it go, let it drop, let it beat, let it move, let it bop, let it beat, let it beat. Yes, I ain't for the headers on the block. That's on me, baby. And now you weak, baby. And I reap what I sow. That's on God, yeah, baby, that's on soul. This ain't never getting old. That's on God, yeah, baby, that's on soul, yeah. I'm a roll, yeah, this a go, yeah. I'm a roll, yeah, feeling so good. I'm a roll, yeah, this a go, yeah, this a go, yeah. Don't rock too hard. I'm taking shots in the dark. I'll leave my mark. Taking shots in the dark.
There's the what? Oh. Oh yeah, that's the big funnel I was talking about. But yeah, I guess it is a creek. All right, well, on that note, that's pretty much all we've got for today's video. All in all, it was a good experience, very fun. If you guys did like the side-by-side style content, please be sure to go check out Jesse Hatcher over at the Can-Am crew. Lord, boy, you made a tongue twister and a half. Anyway, he's at our homepage. Scroll down all the way down to the bottom, you can check him out. But yeah, new experiences, definitely did enjoy it. New trails too. Everything's different, or everything was different than last year. So also, if you guys are interested in seeing the ATV side of things, I will be linking the other videos in the description, so be sure to go check them out. But yeah, that's all we've got for today's trip. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for the new year for new content. Have a great rest of your day. Oh, Mother Hubbard.
Can you do it?
It's got a little crevice at the end. Right there.
Well, Justin, I was gonna do something, and Bryce, I was gonna do something nice for you guys, but better get a backhoe. Got to a mighty nose. Oh, it moved. Oh. Ooh.
I think it's heavier than you think.
I shouldn't have stopped weightlifting.
Want me to help you push?
You see, God made dirt, and dirt don't hurt, but rocks, they freaking suck.
The question is how did it get moved from there to there?
I'm done.
Okay, peace out.
Bye, guys.
What's up, Wheeler Bros? I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and I want to say a huge thank you to your support. It has meant the world to us.
And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free and you can change your mind at any time, plus it helps out the channel.
If you guys want to stay connected with us throughout everything we do, please be sure to go follow our links in the description down below. And yeah. Speaking of description, we have links in our description all the way from parks that you guys have seen on the channel, all the way down to our biggest supporter, Mr. Travis Truett at Skyline Signs. And as always, I'd like to say a huge thank you, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.